Seventh class English, third lesson, Puru the Brave. Glossary. Go down, to be regarded. Your Highness, a title of respect used when talking to or about a member of the royal family. Warfare, the act of fighting a war. Your Majesty, the way of addressing royal people. Vassal, a man promising to fight for a king in return for the right to hold land. Antonyms: victory, defeat; timid, brave; humble, proud; accept, refuse; dependent, independent. Fill in the blanks: respect, skillful; proposal, lawful; capture, worthy; amazed, conquered; frightened, remain. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన వర్డ్స్ని ఉపయోగించి కింద ఇచ్చిన ప్యాసేజ్లో ఇచ్చిన బ్లాంక్స్ని ఫిలప్ చేయాలి. ఐ నో దట్ యు ఆర్ వెరీ స్కిల్ఫుల్ అండ్ వర్తీ ఆఫ్ ద పొజిషన్ యూ హోల్డ్, బట్ ఐ am really amazed to know that you feel as though you have conquered the world. These days, nobody is being frightened by the other. I would like to make a proposal so that you will remain humble and lawful. I hope my words captured your imagination and you respect me as your teacher. Grammar. My kingdom should remain independent. You should treat me as your equal. I must say every Indian soldier fought like a tiger. ఇక్కడ సెంటెన్స్ వన్లో షుడ్ అనేది ఆబ్లిగేషన్ని తెలియజేస్తుంది. షుడ్ ఇండికేట్స్ ఆబ్లిగేషన్. సెకండ్ సెంటెన్స్లో షుడ్ ఇండికేట్స్ కండిషన్. థర్డ్ సెంటెన్స్లో మస్ట్ ఇండికేట్స్ ఇన్సిస్టెన్స్ ఆన్ ద పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద స్పీకర్ ఆర్ నెసెసిటీ. It is also used when the speaker has authority over the listener. People sometimes use should to indicate something that is desirable and must to indicate obligation. Conversation. Fill in the blanks with should, should not, and must, must not. Doctor. Mr. Rao, what exactly is your problem? Patient. I have been suffering from gastric problem for a long time. Doctor. Mr. Rao, I must say you should not eat non-vegetarian or spicy food for some time. Patient. Can I eat boiled eggs or omelets, doctor? Doctor. Isn't an egg non-vegetarian? You must not eat any non-vegetarian food for quite some time. In fact, you should have stopped eating it long ago. You should consult me in a week. Patient. I am sorry, doctor. I won't eat non-vegetarian food any longer. You are quite correct, doctor. I must take your advice and must avoid eating non-vegetarian and spicy food. Thank you very much, doctor. Doctor. You are welcome. I think you should remember my advice. Adjectives. Nice, nicer, nicest. Short, shorter, shortest. Worthy, worthier, worthiest. Frightened, more frightened, most frightened. Lawful, more lawful, most lawful. Change the following sentences. Positive degree. Very few kings in the world are as brave as Puru. Comparative degree. Puru is braver than many other kings in the world. As brave as. Positive degree. Braver. Comparative degree. Superlative degree. Rahul Dravid is one of the greatest batsmen in the world. Greatest. Superlative degree. Comparative degree. Rahul Dravid is greater than the other batsmen in the world. Greater. Comparative degree. సూపర్లేటివ్ డిగ్రీలో ఉన్నదాన్ని కంపారేటివ్ డిగ్రీలోకి చేంజ్ చేసాం. నెక్స్ట్ సూపర్లేటివ్ డిగ్రీలో ఉన్న ఈ సెంటెన్స్ని పాజిటివ్ డిగ్రీకి చేంజ్ చేయాలి. అలెగ్జాండర్ వాజ్ ద గ్రేటెస్ట్ సోల్జర్ ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్. గ్రేటెస్ట్ సూపర్లేటివ్ డిగ్రీ. పాజిటివ్ డిగ్రీ. వెరీ ఫ్యూ సోల్జర్స్ ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్ వర్ యాజ్ గ్రేట్ యాజ్ అలెగ్జాండర్. యాజ్ గ్రేట్ యాజ్. Fourth one, superlative degree. India is one of the fastest developing countries in the world. Fastest. Superlative degree. Comparative degree. India is faster than the other developing countries in the world. Positive degree. No other river in the world is so long as the Nile. Superlative degree. The Nile is the longest river in the world. Superlative degree. Hindi is one of the most popular languages in India. Most popular. Superlative degree. Positive degree. Very few languages in India are as popular as Hindi. As popular as Hindi. Positive degree. Next, positive degree. Lara is not so great as Tendulkar. So great as. Positive degree. Comparative degree. Tendulkar is greater than Lara. Greater. Superlative degree sentence. Rekha is one of the most beautiful girls in the class. Most beautiful. Positive degree. Very few girls in the class are as beautiful as Rekha. As beautiful as. Positive degree. Positive degree form. Very few metals are as expensive as platinum. As expensive as. Positive degree. Comparative degree. Platinum is more expensive than other metals. More expensive. Comparative degree. Comparative degree sentence. Simla is colder than all other hill stations in the Himachal Pradesh. Colder. Comparative degree. Superlative degree. Simla is the coldest hill station in the Himachal Pradesh. Coldest. Superlative degree. Next, superlative degree sentence. Delhi is the one of the most crowded cities of India. Most crowded. Superlative degree. Positive degree. Very few cities in the India are as crowded as Delhi. As crowded as. Positive degree. Warrior. A soldier good at fighting. Swooned. Became unconscious. Stole. Moved silently. Foe. Enemy. Tempest. Storm in the ocean. Pleased. Feeling very happy.